Welcome to IT and Network King official channel. How to download and install Oracle VirtualBox in laptop and computers. Open web browser. Type Oracle VirtualBox in Google search bar. Open official Oracle website. Click download. Click Windows hosts. Your download will start few seconds. Wait for a while. Setup is downloaded. Open download file location. Double-click file to run setup. Click Next. Click Next. Click Install. Oracle VirtualBox is installed now. You can import VM or create VM in Oracle VirtualBox. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe IT and Network King official channel.